Hey guys, it's me, Teo, today, and we're resuming back to these. So they charged overnight, and now we're gonna see them fly today. So let's go. Right. There's a lot. Oh my God! Look at this one glow. How do you turn it off? Whoa. Okay, I did not really see that.
Are you recording?
Yeah. How do you fly this thing?
Where's the directions in the box right there?
There was no directions.
Oh, there's directions for that.
Alright, so the box for this one doesn't really show anything. It doesn't really show anything. That was strange.
Alright, so turn it on and put your hand underneath it.
Oh, it's up! No! Oh,
Put your hand down. Yep.
Oh, look, we got it. Okay, we got it. Oh, no. Okay. Oh.
Leave it alone. Yep.
Oh. No.
Yeah, when you come down and count it. There you go.
There.
Look at Noodle.
Oh, okay. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Alright, ready? Whoa! No! No!
You gotta stop yelling though.
It didn't break. Ready? Oh. Whoa. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, this is good. Whoa.
Let Noodle get to it. Let's do good.
Dirty. Wow. Oh. Oh no, okay. Bring it back to the camera. I can't bring it back to the camera. I can't bring it back to the camera. I can't bring it back to the camera.
Let it come down fast and done it.
Oh, okay. It kept running away from the camera. Oh no! Now let's try the eyeball one. Let's try the eyeball. So let's see how this thing goes. Oh, look at this. Mommy, look at the eye. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, full charge. Oh, no. Oh, no!
He goes,
Are you recording yourself?
oh yeah, he has to do it.
No. Oh my god.
Wait, come here.
Oh no. Oh my god. How's that broken? That was crazy. Oh my god, what happened there? I didn't expect that. Okay. Expect that to happen. No! Don't get stuff! Don't get stuff!
Wait, come down.
Okay. No! Oh, it's getting controlled by that! Okay.
Got it.
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I can see everything. Hey Dad, do you want to use this one? Now let's have the lava go on again. Alright. Whoa! Oh no. Oh. Oh god. The wings came off. Alright, so oh yeah, this is fixable. Yeah, this is fixable. Yeah, I just have to connect them. And then connect this one. That was crazy. I didn't really expect that. It scared me for wow. Alright, Dad. Dad, they're fixable. See? They're fixable.
Sure. Will we look at it?
Sorry. See? See? Could you touch it? Make sure it still works. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Let's touch it. You have to get out of the way, okay? No, it's not part of this. No, it isn't. You gotta get out of the way though, because then it's gonna whack you. Alright. Try the eyeball one. This one right here. Craig, watch out! You're in my way. Okay, let's sit down.
Damn, that's tough.
Whoa! I can. Alright, you gotta get out of it. You have to go to the because you're always in my way.
There, watch it.
She would sit there, but she can't stand it because she just bumped into me. Alright. Alright, this one's full, technically full. There, now I can control the eyeball one. Uh-oh.
No.
Yeah, that's it.
Why?
Oh, no, 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 no. Ah, no, 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 no. Yeah, that's it. Let it sit. Oh, no. Oh, no, oh, no. No! We got stuck again. It's hard to feel it again.
I'm sure it'll eventually die.
Okay, no, that's it. Whoa! Now we want to come down. No, no! It came back up again. Just keep watching that. Oh my god. Whoa! It came down. No!
Hey, don't scream.
I've got it. Now do this one. The lava ball one? It's not too serious. Oh, get out of my way. I told you to get out of my way. Alright. Well, that's the end.